I am proud of the Somaliland people, how they are resilient. They are the only one, maybe in Africa or in East Africa, that their government have collapsed. And no one can imagine when the government collapses. All of a sudden, think you are in Washington, there is no police station, there is no bank, there is no electricity. The jail is, there is no jail to put the criminals. How do you think that? We started from there. Even without water in our cities. Our people, they came back from the camps, refugee camps from Ethiopia. Thousands and thousands of, and they came their homes, destructed by air and bombardment of tanks. Their people, their sons, their old maybe fathers are still their body death in the houses, not buried for 2 years. They started from there. First, to make peace, to build institutions for their security, to rebuild the station bridge, to fetch for water the people, to start schooling, education, under the tree. There is one of our delegates who was learned under the tree for his first 10 years. So he's with us. From there, we started to build a government institutions with a very meager help from NGOs. No government in the globe have helped us. And you know, we are very poor people. We have no industry. We have no oil. We have an oil and diamond, but we have not still explored it. So our people are very resilient. They are people who can survive with every situation, and their belief they can do it. They can do a government, and we made a government, the most democratic, the most peaceful in the Horn of Africa. We built it for 33 years, and I'm very proud of our people, men and women.